Now we're going to make a napkin holder. We're going to take colored paper, a square colored paper, and we're going to put one point towards us and fold it upwards to create a triangle. Then we're going to take the left side and turn it towards the right side to create another triangle. And then we're going to open the folding. Open it up and take both ends and fold them towards the middle. Now we're going to take each point and turn it towards outside to create little triangles over there. Now we're going to turn it to the other side and fold it in half. Fold each of them towards the middle, and now we're going to turn it again and fold it in half. And then we're going to start folding it according to the little triangles that we just made. Once we shaped it, we're going to take each end, we're going to open it up again and take each end and tuck it in one of the triangles that we made already to shape a ring. Now we're going to take napkins or a napkin and twirl it and put it inside the ring. And put it on a plate.